Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have SONOS 5 speaker and I'm going to show you how can you easily enable Equalizer. To enable Equalizer, at first we have to open our SONOS app and then click on this gear icon over there. Now we have to click on our device. Now we have to scroll down to sound. Here we have EQ, we have to click on it. And now we can adjust our equalizer, balance, treble and bass. Here we can enable or disable loudness. Here we have a button called reset to reset our equalizer settings. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.